Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, it's a continuation of our house transformation, and now it's time for me to make two beds for our kids, a bedroom. Yeah, so I'm going to be making double beds which are 3x6 in sizes. Yeah, and I hope you'll enjoy the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, and sharing with your friends and family. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome to our channel. So the first thing that I did here was using this marine board. It's a 3/4 board. I did use it to make the headboard of the beds because I just wanted to make something very simple because it's for the kids. So I just wanted to make something very simple, economical, and not expensive for me because I was going to be making two beds. So that is basically how I did make the headboard, and I used a 2-inch foam, also a 1/4 inch foam for these headboards, and also for the whole bed. Those are the materials that I did use. And for the fabric, I'm going to be showing you, but I did use a pink fabric because they are girls. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. Watch till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and materials. So for making these beds, when it comes to the materials, you just need these marine board, but you can use any other board that is available to you. Also, you can use a 2-inch foam, a 1/4 inch foam. You need a contact glue or any glue that you can use. You also need staple pins because I usually use staple pins. You need a hammer, nails, what else, tape measure, something that you can use to cut the pieces of wood, and the measurements. So these beds were 3x6, so those are the basic measurements that you need because you only use the measurements according to the bed that you are making. The other thing that you need is a fabric. You also, like for me, I was using a golden strap, but I'm going to be showing you the golden strap later on because I'm going to be using just to decorate the bed. And this is the fabric. It was a velvetish fabric, and yeah, that is what you basically need for these beds. So I'm going to be showing you the whole process, all the steps that I'm going to be using. So if you want to know more about this one, you can just ask me, or you can visit our channel, watch more of our content, more of our videos on me making such beds, because I usually post a lot of videos on making new beds, transforming beds, and I'm sure you'll get 1 or 2 ideas from those videos. But if you want to ask me anything, just ask me there in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So that is the progress, and I'm going to be showing you until the final reveal, where I'm going to be putting the two beds in their bedrooms, and we are going to be spreading them because we did buy everything, including the mattresses, the beddings, everything. So I'm just going to be giving you an idea on what you can do if you have an extra bedroom for your kids. I'm just giving you an idea on what you can do with the bedroom to make your kids happy. So the lower side, I had to put these 2 legs. So I have 2 pieces of the lower side of the beds because the beds are 2. So I'm going to be attaching these legs there. As you can see, that is how it looks. And then I'm going to be continuing attaching the foam on top of it, also covering it with the same fabric, and you will see how the progress will be. Anyway, enjoy the video, watch till the end. More videos on our house transformation I'm going to be uploading them, so make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, you have hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new videos like this and more. And like the video, comment on it, tell me what you think about the whole bed making process, yeah, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much.